Hi friends, Naji here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So we are continuing a discussion on OpenAI Agent SDK, and in this video we will be discussing on how can we call a function tool using this particular SDK. Okay, so let me open a new file. I can name it as function tool. Okay, so in the .env file I have my environment variable is there. Okay, now we can start importing few. Okay, so here I can, from agents I can import, agent can be, a runner can be imported, and here we can import the function tool also. Okay, so now let me define a function tool. So here we can define a very simple function tool, that is get weather. Okay, so this will accept a city and it will return a string. Okay. Now I can return a hard coded value. Okay, the weather in the city is sunny. Okay, this is very simple. Now let me define an agent. Here we can define the agent. I can define the agent name. Okay, function tool agent. Okay, let me correct the spelling. Now I can have the instruction. Instruction will be you are a helpful agent. Here we can specify the tools. Okay, so tools will be get weather. Okay, this is a tool that we are going to use. Okay, now define the main method. Can have the result. The result will be, let's do a wait. We can do the runner.run. Here we can pass the agent. Okay. Now just pass the input. You can say what is the weather in Tokyo. Okay. We have a print, then result dot. It's the same way we can do the result dot print output. Okay. Now just execute it. For the execution, let me define the main. Can have sync.run main. Okay. So the coding part is done. This is very simple. Okay, so we have defined a get weather. Okay, let me define it. Spelling was wrong, and get weather. Okay, so define a function tool get weather which will accept a city and return the the city is sunny always. So I can, maybe we can do a search tool here, but since it's very simple example, we can do a hard code value. Then we have the agent, and I'm defining its a name, instruction, and defining the tools. Okay, then we are calling the agent using runner.run, and we will be passing the agent and the input. Okay, so now we can execute it. I can execute python f1.tool.py. Okay, so here I am getting a OpenAI key error because here I need to import one more thing from env.env. I can import the load env and can run the load env here. Okay, now let me execute it again. First let me clear it for the better understanding. Okay, so we are going to execute it. Okay, so the weather in Tokyo is sunny. So this working fine, because from this statement it is understanding the city name and it is returning the data. Maybe I can say that New York. Let me save it and let me execute it. So the execution is in progress. You can see. Okay, it says the weather in New York is currently sunny. So this is also like working fine. So this is automatically identify the city and it is calling the get weather tool. Okay, so in this way we can easily implement the function tool using OpenAI SDK. And yeah, that is all about in this video. Please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.